In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Anchored VWAP on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to place it on your chart, and what to pay attention to as you use it. First, open your browser and head to TradingView.com. You can access the charts right from the homepage. If a basic chart appears, that's perfect. We'll load the full featured view in a moment. Next, look to the right side of the screen for the watch list. This is where symbols are listed. Click on a symbol you want to analyze so the chart updates. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, whatever you're tracking. Choosing an actively traded symbol will make the Anchored VWAP more informative because it's a volume-weighted tool. Now expand the interface so you have all the tools available. Click Full Chart to open the advanced layout. This gives you the full toolbar, drawing tools, and indicator options we'll need for Anchored VWAP. With the full chart open, go to the left-hand toolbar and find the Forecasting and Measurement Tools menu. This tool group contains position sizing tools, measurement tools, and specialized overlays. Click it to open the list so you can choose the right tool. From that menu, select Anchored VWAP. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. The anchored part means you'll choose a specific starting point on the chart, and the tool will calculate the average price from that exact moment forward, weighting each price by volume. It's great for seeing where the true average participant cost sits after a major event. Now let's draw it. On your chart, click the candle where you want the calculation to begin. Common anchors include a significant high or low, a major news day, or the start of a session. After you click, the Anchored VWAP line will extend to the right, updating with each new bar. If you need to move the anchor, simply select the handle at the starting point and drag it to a different candle. As you adjust, notice how price interacts with the line. Trending moves often respect the Anchored VWAP as dynamic support or resistance, and pullbacks to it can highlight areas of value. A quick recap, go to TradingView.com, choose a symbol from the right side list, open the full chart, click the Forecasting and Measurement Tools menu, pick Anchored VWAP, and then click the exact candle where you want the calculation to start. Practice anchoring from different key points to see how the story of price and volume changes. Thanks for watching and happy charting.